Good morning and welcome to today and to this short morning meditation. You can gently close your eyes and start to become aware that you are awake. You're stepping out of your dream time and out of your sleep space and getting ready to step into the world for the day. But before you do, allow yourself just to be here. How often do we jump into the day mentally before the day actually starts? We almost plug ourselves in a sense, to the mental space of society. Then we start to check the news, our social media, and all of a sudden our minds are running around with the rest of the world. So instead of jumping out into the world, just allow yourself to have your own world, your own space. Almost as if there is a bubble around you and there's nothing here but you. Take a few nice deep breaths into your belly, expanding it, filling it like a balloon, and then exhaling. As you begin to breathe, notice if there is anything pulling you into the future, into the rest of the day. And just come back, bring yourself back. And a great way to call ourselves back and to start the day is to be grounded. So instead of plugging into the mental space of society, we're going to actually plug ourselves into the earth. I'd like you to imagine a beautiful tree trunk just growing out of the base of your spine. Let that tree trunk extend down into the planet. Allow it to root into the earth. And allow yourself to be rooted and grounded this morning. If you start the day ungrounded, the day tends to go ungrounded. If you're grounded, the world will reflect that groundedness back to you. And with this tree trunk, you can actually let yourself release any stress or anxiety that may already be coming up around the day. Can you relax and let yourself release it? We all know it's difficult to be relaxed in the middle of the day, and we all just want to do nothing but relax at the end of the day. But can you make yourself relaxed at the beginning of the day, when it's the easiest? When the sun rises and the rays of light hit the earth, you can see the trees, the flowers, plants, and the animals respond. They are awakening. They're coming into their morning. As you awaken, notice your sense of calmness and gratitude for life. Notice your breath and be grateful for the air that comes into your body. Notice the room that you're in, the space that you have, the fact that you're able to sleep quietly and comfortably, far more than most human beings in history or any animals that have lived outdoors. There's so much to be grateful for. Notice you can be grateful for your family, for your friends, for your entire life. Whatever it is that you find you're grateful for, give it a moment. Enjoy that gratitude. And then you can ask yourself a question. Are you here on this planet, in this life, just to get through it? Or are you here to enjoy it, to be grateful, to celebrate? Sometimes we believe that gratitude is a luxury, but for a happy, healthy life and mental space, gratitude is a necessity. You can even have gratitude for yourself for sitting and doing this meditation. You can have gratitude for being grateful. And know that life is with you. Life is not against you. You're supported. Set your intention for the day. What direction do you want to go? Do you want to learn and grow? Do you want to celebrate? Do you want to just enjoy yourself and have fun and feel pleasure? What do you want to bring into the world today? And what would you like to get out of it? Take a deep breath all the way down into your stomach. Really allow yourself to be calm and relaxed and step into the day with a sense of certainty that you're here on purpose and for a purpose. that life will reflect back to you what it is you're looking for today. And you can bring a sense of joy and lightness not only into your life, but into the lives of the people around you. Don't waste the day. Don't waste the opportunity to be alive, to contribute, to share, to express yourself. Every day on this planet is a miracle. Have gratitude, have intention, and have an amazing day.